teleporter. I'm kind of feeling myself right now since I got the good items. So, I think I might kill this Imp Overlord real quick since... Oop, I did not mean to use my cooldown item, but it's okay. It's kind of broken because it only has like 10-second cooldown. Oops. Didn't want to fall. See, I just... that charge field generator. Alright, come and get me. There we go. After this, I'm gonna keep moving. Give me the item you dropped. Oh wow, it would be a blighted Clayman. Monster tooth. Try to get 7 of those and see. Can't remember the unlock for it though. It's like get 7 of those and something else. Is there anything up there? Nope, I can keep going. I really need to get something that helps me run faster. Besides that out of combat one. Ooh, stay invincible. Good. I'm not that. I'm still squishy, squishy, squishy. I wonder if I can trick that imp, the imp to falling off the stage like I did one time. Let's get this monster too. Oh my god, that's so much damage. Alright, it's getting a little crazy now. Let's keep going. Oh wow, I got 2 items. That's so good. And the teleporter's right there. I gotta get my life back though. Gotta stack. I'm just gonna sit here for 2 seconds. See if I can stay invincible while staying in the same spot. Is that healing me? It is. That's crazy. Alright, let's keep shiny key right there. Alright, let's hit this. What enemy am I fighting this time? The Imp Overlord? Is it like 4 of them now? Oh, it's that guy. Another pretty easy 1-note boss. Let's go! Everything's exploding! Charge field, DPS. Wow, that charge field generator. Yes. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. There's just so much DPS going on right now. And there's even items I need to collect. I'll do it once I'm safe. I think I'm good for right now. There's so much DPS. Oh, there you go. Unlock the scavenger. Kill a scavenger. Bank 20,000 gold. Cool, cool, cool. There's like 4 or 5 items I can be picking out right now. But, whew, my hand. Oh my god, that is so much DPS. It's lovely. Oh, the last level is gonna be a bitch. I just on the last level I just gotta keep moving. I don't think I'm gonna try to get all the key cards and stuff this time. Because I can, I'm just gonna get him. Go back and get all those other items. Let's get a tough. I'm stack crit now. What's my crit at? 7 times 21% chance to crit. Not bad. I'm gonna try to get a little bit more crit in Monster Teeth. Let's see, how many Monster Teeth do I have? I'm looking at my. I have 6. I guess I could look it up, how many Monster Teeth I need. I know it's like 7 to unlock. I can't remember what it unlocks though. Okay, 7. There it is. Alien Head, which I guess is just the item I already have, where I can choose from. More crit, make it 28%. Let's get this run faster, maybe. Yeah, why not? That's always lovely. Nice to be able to run faster. I'll let that choose whatever item. Well, it's not a use item. Ah, never mind. Punching glove. Boxing glove. Knocks enemies back, which is okay, but it's really good with like the commando or something like that. Well, I think he's like stunned. I was guessing you're stun locked. Yes! Yes. One enemy, and that's the Imp Lord. Really easy. Bitterroot. My life. Let's see. Chance to do double damage? No, I don't have that many, so I might as well get more barbed wire. At this point, I'm kind of like hard to kill, so I'm kind of just trying. I should just stack DPS now, especially for last level, so I can kill things as quickly as possible. Wonder if I can get him to come down here. Nope, guess not. See, one time he did that off the stage one time, and it was just phenomenal. But I guess I kind of want his drop, don't I? Oh, wow. He's trolling. Oh, I saw it doing like 40 something damage. I just did it. Alright. None of these help with crit, so dice, I think? What does dice do? Gain chance critical strike upon failing a. Oh, yeah, failing a shrine. It's not that. It's okay. At least I'm trying to remember which items I need, which items I don't need, and I'm not going to hit that just yet. I'm going to go up and see if there's any items above, because I'm already on ha, so might as well. Anything but the glove. Oh wow. More icicles, more DPS. Love it. And the golden chest. Can I get to it though? Oh my god, for some reason it let me up here. And it's always rare. It's always rare. So, I don't remember what all these do. Oh man. I think I might get the Tesla coil or the Hyper Threader. I can't remember. Let's go with the Hyper Thread or the Tesla so I can have more DPS around me, I guess, maybe? I'm gonna have to read up on what all these do, but why not? Let's get the Tesla. Just because. Alright. I could revisit an old level just to try to get more stuff, but that's okay. Let's go to the final level. I'm not trying to get greedy because I'll end up dying like I did before. I was playing on normal and that happened, and I died. I was just beyond salty. I love the music here. Do 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 do. Alright guys, should I go for the key cards this run since I'm invincible? Or should I just go to kill the boss so I can try to be one step closer to unlocking the mercenary? I don't know, man. I'm kind of feeling myself. I kind of think I can risk it. I don't really care about you, Blighted Clayman, because you're not important to this run anymore. Because you don't have to fight and kill everything. You just have to wait for doors to open, really, this map. Okay, let's get this set up and punch all the way here. Alright, what do I want? What do I want? Do I have a first aid kit already? I do not. Oh my god! See, I almost died. I almost died there. Never again will I do that again. Just gotta... Let's just sit here for a minute. Whew. Wow. Okay, that's fine. That's plenty of life for right now. That is my wife in the background. She is playing Smite, I believe? Yeah. Yes. DPS! Oh, I found a key card. Just give me money and key cards. And charge field generator is just free damage. Let's go. Torrents, I don't know. I might try to get a couple turns before I start fighting the last boss to make it quicker.